Friends, hello, this side Yogesh Raghav. And friends, first of all, I just wish you all a very welcome, happy new year, and may this new year will brings a lot of joy and happiness in your all of your lives. So, friend, today I'm going to present you a software whose name is Creaite software. So, friends, what this software will do? This software will create quality based content for your site which you can use as an article or as an blog for your site. So friends, this software is a major uh, re- is a major revolution which will use artificial intelligent technique for you to create a unique base article in any of niche. So suppose friends, if you have got a weight loss niche or money making niche or means any kind of niche like health and fitness niche or software niche, whatever niche you have, this software will really help you to make uh, quality contents up to 300 to 1000 words for your article. And friends, trust me, if you gonna outsource your article, or if you're going to hire a content article to write some content for you, they will charge mostly between 8 to $15 to write a 1000 word article, and this software will just doing uh, automatically this for you. So friend, this software will just this software is brought to you by it's a I mean, the founder of this software is Joshua Zamora. So he has sold over 1,93,500 products. Okay, so uh, he's a well renowned vendor, and he's extremely knowledgeable about his products, about the industry, which is very helpful. And friend, Joshua is from the industry, implements what he teaches, so it will be like a gold mine for you. So friend, uh, this software just simply generate, as you can see, it generates content art, it generate unique articles, and the articles won't be copyrighted or duplicate from any of the sites, and you will literally get unique visitors, or you will get unique uh, I mean, not unique visitor. I'm sorry. You will get unique article for your site, which will drive uh, quality traffic on your site, and you will literally make a good profit. So this is a bit of sneak peek of the software. Like you can see how its dashboard look. It contains articles, plugins, APIs. API means how you can use this software. You will get some credential from the software which you can put, and this software will start working. So this you can say it's generate to 52 articles. How many article posts? All this information you will get from here. And and friend, like all you know that to get uh, traffic on your site, or to rank your site on Google, the main part is a content. So if your site is having a good content, and if your site is having high quality content, you will surely get good traffic, which will result in uh, a stable income or a profit from it. So friends, this software will provide value to your customer. It will help you to build up trust with your customer. And like I said earlier, it will drive more traffic. You will get more subscriber, which will in return help you to generate earning and get more profit out of this software. And for sure you will get ranking in Google, because friend, you know that Google will like a quality content. It just doesn't like a copied content. So this software will surely help you to get a good content. And also here you can see how you create a new article using the language. And you can say means the all information about the article writing and how you can do it, it will given within this software. And friends, uh, I have a good offer for you. Like if you get this software using my link mentioned below the video, you will get free bonuses along with this software. And also if you have any query or any kind of issues in using this software, you can feel free to ask me. I will provide my email and Instagram account in the software. So yeah friends, so uh, as you've seen in this video, he is an uh, author about the software, and he has generated this software. It's really a cutting edge software which you can use to generate content in any of niche. Like you can use any niche whatever you wish, and this software will help you to get an automated content for your sites. So yeah friends, if you do have any queries regarding this software, you can feel free to ask me just without any hesitations. So friends, once again, I'm just wish you all a happy new year, and may this new year brings a lot of joy and wealth in your life. So thanks a lot friends.